Hey everyone, it's Andrei from Bumper Media, and today we're going to quickly look at the 2024 X1 M35. This thing is pretty cool. I really like the design. Love the hood. See how it's like protruding a little bit? I like that. It's a little bit hard to tell with the rain here, but we're going to try to do the best that we can. Look at these nice black wheels. These are the winter wheels with the red calipers. Very nice. I like the new front fascia. I like how they made the bumper a lot bigger here. It almost looks like an X3 bumper. You got the grills here that open up automatically. You got the M designation there. You got the front camera. Your radar and sensors go in there. This is also an active grill for the bottom intercooler there. This is the key for it. We're gonna triple click the lock button. We'll remote start the car. We can have a nice look at these lights. We're gonna listen to the motor in just a minute and the exhaust. I'm gonna bring it inside so we can have a better sound. But what do you guys think of the outside? I really like it. Love this color too, very nice. You got the nice colored arches here, flat door handles, black shadow line. I love the rear spoiler. Look at this, I like how that comes up there. It kind of matches the antenna right there, very nice. And then here is the back, what everyone's been looking for. I don't know about you, but I really like this quad exhaust. Personal mode. Sport mode. Efficient mode. Again, we got the M35 designation here. Let's pop the trunk. Pretty spacious trunk in here. You've already seen our video where we stuck in 3 massive boxes in here. Fit totally fine. This is removable. Very nice. Look at that nice red interior. Let's have a quick look at the inside. We can kick to close. Love it. Let's have a quick look at the back. No more comfort access on the back. Only comfort access on the front. Wow, that is a nice interior. Top favorite combos. Look at this nice Harman Kardon sound system with the aluminum handle, aluminum speaker grille, beautiful two-tone red and black leather, stunning. Massive sunroof. Man, this thing looks awesome. Look how sporty these seats look in the back too. Okay, let's bring it inside. Let's listen to this exhaust. Nice interior. Nice bolsters here. Pretty sporty. I like that a lot. No more iDrive controller. Everything is touch here. Very nice. We're gonna go to driver. Perfect. And what is nice now is that this is iDrive 8.5. Let it load up there. I'm gonna pull the car inside. Now it's taking a minute to load because I switched over the driver profiles. So it's gonna download the driver profile from the cloud, load it all up, which it just did. This has the full 360 camera, self-parking. This is your shifter now, your drive, reverse, neutral. And there's no more park here. It's literally right here. It's incorporated with the handbrake. So when you're clicking park, it's also activating the handbrake, which is really nice. Or essentially just when the car is in drive, just turn it off. It's gonna go to park and put the handbrake on automatically. Look at that M right there. So that was a quick look at the 2024 BMW X1 M35. We got to listen to the exhaust. We got to see the car. We even listened to the horn. Pretty nice. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. If you like this video and you want to see more cool BMW videos like this, make sure that you're following us. You hit that bell notification. Until next time,